You think too much before you speak. You know the answer in class, but you don't raise your hand. At night, you replay awkward moments in your head. You want to be confident, but deep down, you feel like you're not. Listen, you're not broken. You're not weak. You're just untrained. Confidence is not something you're born with. It's a skill. And in the next 14 days, you're going to build it, step by step, with real action, no fake motivation. Here's the truth. You're not confident because you don't have proof. Your brain only believes what it sees you do repeatedly. If you procrastinate, if you avoid uncomfortable situations, if you constantly doubt yourself, your brain collects evidence that you can't. So we give it new evidence, small wins, every single day. Days 1 to 3, reset your body. When you wake up, make your bed immediately. Do 20 push-ups or 2 minutes of jumping jacks. Splash cold water on your face. Stand tall for 1 full minute, shoulders back, chin up. It sounds simple, but when you complete small, hard tasks early, your brain releases dopamine linked to achievement. It starts saying, I do what I say. That sentence builds confidence. Days 4 to 7, kill micro-avoidance. You feel insecure because you avoid. You avoid raising your hand. You avoid messaging first. You avoid speaking up. You avoid starting hard tasks. Every day, do one uncomfortable thing. Ask one question. Sit in the front row. Message someone first. Submit your work early. Just one. You don't wait to feel confident. You act. The feeling follows. Days 8 to 10, fix your self-talk. Pay attention to how you talk to yourself. I can't do this. I'm not good enough. I always mess up. That's not truth. That's habit. Catch it, replace it, reinforce it. I'm bad at presentations becomes I'm still learning presentations. Then practice for 10 minutes. Your brain listens to your words. Change the story you repeat. Days 11 to 14, build social presence. 3 rules. Make eye contact, speak 10% slower, and don't rush to fill silence. Insecure people rush. Confident people pause. Silence is power. Also, look neat. Not expensive, just clean, intentional. When you look prepared, you feel prepared. Confidence is not being loud. It's being consistent. It's keeping small promises to yourself. It's doing hard things daily. It's moving before you feel ready. In 14 days, you won't be perfect, but you will be different because you'll have proof. Proof that you can wake up early. Proof that you can face discomfort. Proof that you can control your thoughts. Proof that you can show up. If you feel invisible right now, if you feel behind, you're not behind. You're just at the beginning, and beginnings are powerful. For the next 14 days, no excuses. Start tomorrow morning. Comment 14-day confidence. Confident people take action. Like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this.